This plastic box is nailed against the stud, so let's get a screwdriver in there. Kind of pull back a little bit because I need a little bit of slop in there. Because see, I'm going to take a hacksaw blade, I'm going to fish it down in there and get the nail down there and saw it off. I need enough slop. Okay, so maybe I can just leave that screwdriver in there. See where that is. It's important to make sure your blades are going in the right direction. You know? Make sure that's it. That feels like it's it. It's got to be it. Right there. Yep. Okay, so now I'm just going to simply saw that off. You don't need fancy gadgets or anything, and I like to do it like this, and just careful as I go. And I know both wires here, I look up in the box and they're both going out the top of the box. Okay, so I shouldn't have any problem cutting this off. And it's just a nail, so that's all I'm doing. I'm sawing the nail off. I want to grab this and little quick strokes here. See what happens. It's going, I can feel it. There goes that train again. Taking kitties for a ride. I think I almost got it. There. Pretty sure I got it. Yeah, the bottom of the box is moving. Good. Now, I can do that top one. If you've watched my channel, you probably already have seen me take a box out. But if you haven't, hey, this is part of this project, so you get to watch it. Okay. Now I got to reach up in here. Okay, there's the nail. I want to be careful that I don't hit these, and I'm going back and forth, and the wires aren't moving, so I know I'm all right. If those started moving, I'd have to kind of be careful, maybe come in at a different angle or something. But it sounds like I'm all right. These wires might move every once in a while, but it's just because it's hitting my knuckle. Okay, I'm looking in the back. They look fine. See, I'm coming up from the bottom, and you know what? I'm getting kind of tired. Maybe I can come from the top down. You know? Above the nail. I don't know if I can or not. Actually, I don't think I can. I'll have to keep going this way. Sometimes though, if you can, you know, you can fish it up like this, up over the top of the nail. But it feels like it's hitting something. I don't want to work on the box anymore. I've already got it started here, so I'll just keep going. Give me a nice little workout. There. Got it. Whew. See there? That box is moving. Now, to figure out how to get it out of there. Okay. Now see, might be kind of tricky to get this out because there's a flange underneath here where the nail went through, so I don't think I can just pull it straight out. I have to push it in, and I might have to tilt it or do something. Yeah, like that, see? I can tilt it down like that. I'll have to work on it here for a second so I can pull that out of there. Let's see here. And you know, you might be able to get it from the bottom on up. However you do it, you're gonna have to get the bottom and swivel that up first, or the top. If you get the top, you gotta push down on it, swivel that out. Work at it, you'll be able to get it. Okay, I got her out. A little bit of work, but you'll get it.